Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. What's your name?
My name is Priya. What's your name?
My name is Leo. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Leo.
Where are you from?
I'm from India. What about you?
I'm from Brazil. Where do you live?
I live in Mumbai. It's a very big city. And you?
I live in Rio de Janeiro, close to the ocean.
Are you a student? Or do you work?
I'm a student at university, and you?
I work at a school. As a teacher,
That's interesting. What do you teach?
I teach English to young learners. It's very rewarding. What do you study at university?
I study English literature.
Wow. So you love reading?
Yes, I love reading and also writing. Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading too. My favorite book is The Little Prince.
That's a beautiful book. I like mystery novels.
Do you like to watch movies?
Yeah, I like watching movies at the cinema. And you?
I like watching movies at home with my family.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inside Out.
Nice choice. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy painting and walking in the park. And you?
I like playing football and listening to music.
Can you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I can play the drums. Can you play any instruments?
I can play the piano.
That's great. Do you travel during your holidays?
Yes, I like visiting new cities and trying new foods. What about you?
I enjoy going to the countryside and camping with friends.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking Brazilian food. It reminds me of my family. And you?
I like cooking Indian food. My favorite dish is biryani.
That sounds delicious. My favorite dish is feijoada.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. How about you?
I have a cat.
Cute. What do you usually do on weekends?
I like to relax at home, read books, and watch movies. And you?
I like playing football with friends and visiting my grandparents.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm a morning person. I like to wake up early. And you?
I prefer to sleep in on weekends.
What's your dream job?
I want to be an author and travel the world. And you?
I want to be a journalist and write about culture.
That's wonderful. What's your favorite season?
I like summer because I can go to the beach. And you?
I prefer spring because of the flowers.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is tea. And you?
I like fresh orange juice.
Do you like learning new languages?
Yes, I love learning languages. I can speak Portuguese and English. And you?
I can speak Hindi, English, and a little Spanish.
That's impressive. Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I love photography. And you?
Yes. I like capturing moments when I travel.
It was really nice talking with you, Leo.
Yes, it was great chatting with you too, Priya.
I hope we can talk again soon.
Absolutely. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Take care.
Goodbye.
Bye.